Hello, it is Wednesday, June 16th on this overcast day, and I'm just here to document the condition of my Kia Rio after it's been returned from O'Donnell Catonsville. What the gentleman told me is that the only thing that should be wrong with my car is the O2 sensor, and that they've got it running pretty well. They replaced all the spark plugs, luckily not on me. And I just want to document how it is running at this point. The rest will all be uncut, edited video. So, put the key in here, and right away, oops, that's the radio. You can see the mileage. Also, you see a check engine light. I'm going to run a diagnostic check on it, so we can get the diagnostic codes. He did inform me that the diagnostic codes I was gonna have is an O2 sensor. Now, when I took it in, I was having engine misfires. So we're gonna go check this out. I got it hooked up right there. Still live feed here. And then we're gonna hit enter. Scan. See what kind of this might be a rather long and boring video, but it's really just for my records. So when I call Kia up, I can show them that what kind of work that they've done. Still going here. Almost finished. Reading. Okay, so we got 4. 2 of them. Oh, well, that's the knock sensor, I'm pretty sure. 325. 301, that's a misfire. So, a misfire and the knock sensor, I believe, was what... Or that might be the O2 sensor. But 301, pretty sure is a misfire still. Not 100% sure on that. But just wanted to show that. Anyway, start up the car. Here. Close the door. Turn that over a little bit here. So you can see it's running at 1,000 RPMs right now, almost a little bit under, slightly under the line. And we'll do a drive down the block now. It drives a lot better than it did before I took it in. So it drives okay, a little loud and shaky still, but not what I would call great. Now, the thing I find really weird is this. When I get to a stop, look, clutch is pushed in, not pushing the gas, and I'm idling, and it sounds like it's struggling, and it's struggling right now. It's just, you can just hear it. We'll drive up the block again here. I mean, is it good enough for me to get from point A to point B? Yeah, but is my engine fixed? I wouldn't say so. At least I can get up a hill, which is more than I could say it was doing before. I just want to get up to speed and then brake it for you guys so you guys can see what the hell happens here. Now look, I'm completely off the gas and out of gear. Look at my RPMs. It won't do it. Before it was sticking. The 2s were sticking. Still driving. least it's dropped down again. I'm in neutral, just cruising down the road right here. Get back and forth. Back in third, gotta go up this hill. Out of gear and stopped. And you can just see, look, it's dropping below 1,000 RPMs here. Really struggling. Dropping below 1,000 RPMs when I'm just idling. I mean, that can't be right. I'm going to pull around and we'll take a look under the hood just so you can see how it runs when it's idling. Some of the work that they did. We're getting there. Almost full circle now. Gears here real quick. So go uphill, just hear it. It doesn't sound right, like that noise right there. Can't say that sounds too healthy. I'm just going to take a really quick look under the hood for you guys. Pulling in here. Everybody be easy, I'm just driving around in a parking lot. We'll get out and pop the hood, just so you guys can see real quick. So there, they replaced that. I mean, it's running smoother. I wouldn't say it's running as smooth as it was before the accident. Anyway, the end.